United Democratic Party President Medba Lyngdoh informed that the party is prepared for the election. He also said that the party so far has announced almost 40 candidates for the upcoming election. He further said that these 40 candidates will not be the last. The next 20 constituencies the party will examine. Meanwhile, he said that in Garo Hills, the party has around 8 to 9 candidates. He further stated that the state election would decide the number of seats the party would be contesting from Garo Hills.
First list was 32 and second list was 2, so it was 34. Then the third list was just 1. And we made the announcement at the Nobla constituency, and today we have announced 5. So all those names which you have been asking me from time to time, so those were the names that we had given. All in total comes to 42.